Yeah. Yeah. Abatire barakinya now. I've never seen that. Yeah.
We, tabote maguru mau utanajira we oe, ruta maguru mau metha iguru yakwa.
Oh, I've never seen that.
Can you remove those piece of rubbish from my table, my expensive table?
I've never
seen that. Ruta maguru mau iguru, heria, harutia maguru mau.
Yeah.
Maguru medrimo meseke.
I've never seen that.
What is wrong with you?
I've never seen it.
My carpet is imported. Ruta, nyamu icio haria, wige haria the.
I've never seen it.
Kana thio rugame haria tondu kana iranunga.
Ruonume. Yeah.
Ona diabetes muthuri, diabetes.
Stupid.
Look at you.
I've never seen that.
Vintage man.
Vintage.
Na ngofia ndarukuru wewe mundu.
However, I've never seen that. Goikara hau we gura ndiranunga.
Geria goikara ha tororane. Can you sit where you are sitting?
Yeah. Talk right now.
Niki.
Muiretu ne tureheire ka tutireheire.
Muiretu uriku? Muiretu uriku? What is wrong with this man? Where? Security. Muthoni no.
We have paid.
You've paid you and who?
Dowry.
Who's dowry?
I've never seen that.
Nobody's getting married in this house. Niki kiuru nawe. Security.
What do I know Mwangi?
Ithe wa Mwangi no. Ogo koka igira kwene guo no tabete kumenya ni kwao.
Do ithe wa Mwangi.
Can you look at this house? Ojire kana ni kuhana gwitanio na Mwangi. Look at those curtains. Mwangi no hote kura curtain ta ici. Oragete ki uikarire.
Oh, sorry.
Na ndungigwa thoni. Oh, sorry, no uri haha uikaire thi.
Wait a minute.
Don't tell me to wait a minute.
Do ithe wa Mwangi we.
Dio ithe wa Mwangi ndikwenda kumenya.
Mercedes.
Ndimoi.
Yeah?
Dioi.
Mercedes cio heirwo mutungi haria thu.
Ore cieni ndina Mercedes cigana.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I beg your pardon.
Con, you shut up. Get out.
Yeah.
Get out.
Muthuri ucio no muwi. Yeah, we ho kona karitho. Ekago go akahuru go giko.
Jike ati anako kahuruo. Die giko kiu.
I'm very sorry.
Yeah, you should be.
Yeah.
Yeah, get out.
I've never seen that.
No tanagira kwene ringiri.
Yeah.
Please make sure you ask.
Lecture. Yeah.
Get out.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
Can you get out? Kana ditane thaisi.
Fujo.
Yeah. Can you get out?
Fujo.
Aya no maretikirio mundu wothe kuingira gwakwa. Ni number security. Where Nikki? Can you get out of my house?
What's in that? Why is my vintage body?
Can you get out? Nikki kiru nawe.
No koruta ithe wa Mwangi gano.
We, nyugia ndambura. Hello? Why are you letting people into my house without my permission? Huyo mzee anakaa mwenda wazimu, hebu look for him. Eha una matagari.